What's up, y'all? Um, as you guys could see, ended up break even on the day. Let me switch this. Ended up break even on the day. I took an Asia trade that got stopped. I took two Asia trades that both got stopped out. Both pretty low size, $75 ish, and I lost around 170. So I was going in a New York session with like minus 0.8 R, 0.9 R, and like already like I wanted to be cautious. Like I wanted to take a good setup, and so I ended up taking a setup. It was the 5-minute flip on NQ. So we took this low, right? This low right here. I remember specifically it was this low. And as you get, oh, this guy's on my shift keyboard. On my shift, that's why. Okay, let's close this. So like I said, I'm coming into this already down RR, right? I see this nice close. Stop below this actually, because I wasn't expecting crazy retracement. I like to fade the trend, but like, you know, I want to be safe while doing it. And also I told you, once again, the account balance was also making me more safe. Like I'm not trying to lose more, right? We lost this trade. We lost this one. This was minus around 200. So now I'm sitting, as you guys could see, let me show y'all. I have this all on Discord. So tried longing, gonna be around 0.8 R. So I risked 8 R or 0.8 R, and as you could see, I lost it. So now I'm down 335 on the day, right? In my head, I'm like, damn, I probably shouldn't have taken those bullshit ass Asia trades. But once again, I'm not trying to tilt. Whatever it happened, it happened. I was taking those Asia trades to maybe build a buffer on New York. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But we do that for the days. It should work. And here's the thing. Yeah, Asia's been moving, but yesterday it was not. So I shouldn't have taken a trade regardless. Gotta look at Asia and really be like unbiased about it. Like, yeah, because Asia's been moving, I shouldn't want to just trade blindly, right? Market opened at like 3 p.m., our time. I think I was in that trade by like 3:45. I didn't even give Asia any time to move. I didn't know if it was in a chop. And what did we do the whole entire Asia? Chop. I got too excited about it and, kind of rushed it. But I was glad I stopped myself. And of course, that's why we use half R. So now at this point, I'm down 350, right? Trying not to tilt. Trying to look for some good shit. This is when I noticed this downside, right? ES holds it. Unfortunately, no SMT at the highs. That's what I really wanted to see. Like some type of SMT. That would have made an A+. But this is what I ended up shorting on NQ. IFEG. Boom. Nice close. Entered on the close. Stop above the high. Shit. Pretty simple. BE down here. 0.5, I was already a little like with how price, like after we got down, like I'm not gonna lie, and we went into drawdown, I was a little stressed. At this point, I already accepted the loss. I was like, okay, it's fine. Let me low-key shrink my face cam a little. I was like, yo, it's fine, it's chill. We're gonna be down like 2R on the day. But it fucking played out. Boom, hit the BE. And of course, I like very clear targets today. Like super, like just like mark these fucking lows out, And yeah, it ended up playing out. I wish I had more cons, guys. I wish I had more cons because I could get some more trims, but I ended up trimming on my MFFU account at 167, I remember. Because this is exactly how much I needed to break even on the day. And I just wanted to take my break even and run. Too many times. It hasn't worked like that, You get greedy, you get break even on the day, you're finally flat on the day, all you could wish for, and then you still chase for more. Like, like I'm not trying to be that person. I'm trying to be smart about this shit. Like, it's not a good, Like, it's not a good habit to have. So boom, I took that, and that's why we're up 9 on the day. Completely undid that entire day. Ended up very small. Ended up break even on the day, and I will gladly take that. Was I upset about the trade that I took earlier? Nah, maybe I just faded the trend. Not quite sure why it didn't work. Oh my gosh, we did have SMT. We did have SMT. Okay, that's why the trade didn't work. Should have probably realized that, because I could have went break even. Yeah, well, shit. Doing a market analysis the wrong way. Yeah, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I really like this displacement that we had on the 5 minute. I am not quite sure why we lost. If any of you guys know, maybe this is just one of the, it's probability, right? It's a game of probabilities. You win some, you lose some. But shit. Ended up break even on the day. Glad I was able to do this. Or, like, glad I was able to stop myself. Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday, still 1 hour, and then Friday. So let's end the week strong. Let's start February strong. Let's end this week strong. I'm ready. I'm really ready.